Saڵح, solemnly declare and promise to exercise in all loyalty, discretion, and conscience the functions entrusted to me as an international civil servant of the United Nations, to discharge these functions and regulate my conduct with the interest of the United Nations only in view, and not to seek or accept instructions in regard to the performance of my duties from any government or other sources external to the organization. I also solemnly declare and promise to respect the obligations incumbent upon me as set out in the staff regulations and rules. Thank you, sir.
You have to sign. I say that it is with an enormous pleasure and great honor to see you as High Commissioner for Refugees. It is a function that I have in my heart, as you know, and I see in you the freedom fighter that I remember. I see in you the statesman, and I see in you a man that dedicated all his life to the right causes in very difficult circumstances. And to have an ex-refugee as High Commissioner for Refugees is, I think, in itself an extraordinary victory for the United Nations. So you are very much welcome. And on top of that, it's very good to have a friend. It has been such a wonderful function.
The honor is mine, sir. The honor is mine, and I am truly mindful of the great responsibility and honor that you have entrusted in me. And I am very keen and very determined to deliver on the mission of UNHCR, which is as relevant as it has been over the past 75 years to help refugees across the world to make it, refugees to have their agency, to contribute to humanity, and not to be just seen as victims. I count on your support and the support of the United Nations system, and it's an important task and an important responsibility. And thank you for the trust, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
once again.
Can we have a photo together?
Very well, thank you. So this guy was with me when they were outside of Islam terrorist tried to he suffered 22 bullets. And
23.
23. A journalist brought him here, became an American citizen, and had about 21 operations. So he's a reminder of my past life. He took bullets from me. So I thought I wanted a picture, please.
Of course, can we get, please get a picture. Yes.
So, there's enough.
Just 1 second.
Just 1 second.
Thank you so much
So-
for your support and for videos around the world, helping everybody. We really hope personally admire you so much and appreciate you. We will link it to the next one.